walk around the compound. We can see some tigers, and then we might get a moo. Hopefully a squeak too from Cassie. Well, she probably purrs. We'll see some cats and some dogs, chickens too, llamas, lemurs, and a tortoise.
Hello. How are you? Are you eating grass? That is it's like, I don't know, am I? Yep, that is what she's doing. She's having some salad, which is a thing that kitties do. It's a thing that kitties do. Well, hello, Bubbles. Stage fright. Stage fright. She is unimpressed. Look at this pretty girl. Look at this pretty girl. Whoa. Wow. Something tells me she likes it here. She's like, this is a very fitting enclosure. My goodness. Hello. Hi. Hi, Malika. Hi, baby. Hey, sugar pie. Little ear tufts. Kind of flapping in the breeze. Hey, baby. Hey, sugar pie. Whoa, was that an air release? She's like, she's like, you know, usually pretty chill, but I can imagine she's like, well, you're behind me, and I don't know how to feel about that. Whoa. What's the matter, baby? What, baby? Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay. All right. Hint taken. Malika was having me time. I was infringing upon that. I need to be more respectful. Hello, you big cat love. Hello, you big cat lovers out there. It's me, Derek, again. Welcome to another super duper fantastic episode of the Walk Around the Compound webcast. I don't know where. Oh, Saline is right over there. Saline is over there. We got rain. Tons of it. Tons. Excuse me. Tons. And then you can see how green it has become. Look at it. It's wonderful. Oh. Yeah, springtime, all the cows are mooing. No. Keep doing the... You're not doing the thing. Not doing the thing. Not doing the thing. Chin. You have a chin. You have a chin. You have a chin. You have a chin. Do you know that? Are you aware? Are you aware of your chin? Yeah? Hi, baby. Hi, Naya. That's my knee. My smell knee. He's like, give me some of that knee. I knew that these girls were on, they have problems. They're huffing knees now. We had talked to, oh no, that was Ren. This whole corner's got issues. This whole corner of this whole section. Yeah, it was Ren who was stealing pills from old ladies. Or trying to. Then these girls were over here huffing knees. What's this world come to? Bobby, I just saw you. I just saw you. Bobby. Bobby! Bobby, Bobby, Bobby. Bobby, Bobby, Bobby. Bobby, Bobby, Bobby. Bobby, Bobby, Bobby. There's a new guy, and his name is Goliath. And you might like him, maybe. Go think about it. That is like a thing that is a possibility, like a, you know, but I don't want you to get your hopes up. If we think that, like, okay, this just isn't going to work out, then we won't even try. Gabe. Yes, Gabe. But, you know, she was declawed, he was declawed. She's weird. He's got special needs. He's not trying to sit there and say, like, what was that supposed to mean? No, not one of them. No, it's more to imply that they can share an atypical experience. So, yes, that's what that's all about. Bobby. 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 I saw a stinky face. Yep. We got old Junkie Tiger Corner over here. We got Skid Row. Bunch of junkie tigers. All hopped up on knees and chicken legs. And Grandma's heart medicine. Hi. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Melissa says hi. Melissa says hi. Ended up getting a lot of rain. Oh. And everything that's, all of this, everything that's happening, I kind of blame it on the rain. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Hello. You're excited. You're excited. I saw that Nobody movie. The one with Bob Odenkirk. It was awesome. It was incredible. It was so much fun. Can't remember the last time I had so much fun watching a movie. Hi. Whoa.
Whoa.
Really? Oh boy. Get that out of there. Joe. Joe. we're having a moment. We just gotta stop interrupting. No. I mean, I kind of went into the movie, I guess, kind of unexpected. Or not necessarily I was thinking like, okay, this is probably going to be a good thing. Probably going to be a good flick. But it's like, Bob Odenkirk as an action guy. Certainly an unproven kind of thing. So I was going into it being like, we'll see. Could be good, but we'll see. I don't know. It's kind of like whenever, Taken, the first one. You're like, Liam Neeson? And then you see it and you're like, that was good. That was fun. That was a fun movie. All right. You can be that guy. I will give you my believability, my belief in the fact that you can be that guy. Look at this purpose. Look at this purpose. This purpose. The bebes. David, the bebes. But what about the bebes? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And then I was sitting there thinking, like, I don't know, like, is it going to be just some sort of, like, diet/discount John Wick? Well, people are like, let's try to beat it. Well, it was written by the same guy, at least one of the scriptwriters, or the guy, I don't know, who did the John Wick stuff. But I would say I was reading some stuff, it's good comments, there was the good synopsis, it's like, well, it's like John Wick for the working class kind of thing. For the tired working class. And it's a weird, like, this guy, the character, he's like whoa. I would say that it's like a combination between, like, your John Wick, your MacGyver, and your John McClane. In that regard of just like, oh, this person is clearly not invincible, but he's just like, oh, he's annoyingly unstoppable. In that kind of thing. And it's like, oh, it's wonderful. Sprinkle a little bit of Home Alone in there. Very funny, too. Very funny. I enjoyed it. I really, really did. There's a whole sequence, just an escalating action sequence. They're very well choreographed. Escalating action sequence, kind of later on in the flick, set to, and the whole soundtrack of the movie is fantastic. But a really beautifully shot and just very fun. And very funny, different kind of action sequence. A bad A action sequence set to Pat Benatar's Heartbreaker. And the entire time, just with like where the story was going and like all the things that are happening and the culmination of so many different events, I was just watching it. I was beaming. I was flooded with joy just watching the scene. It was so good. I had a great time. Like I said, it wasn't anything like, oh my gosh, it deserves all of the dramas, Oscars and stuff. That's not what I'm saying. I just went to it. It was a fantastically, wonderfully entertaining flick. It's kind of like, going to see, what's the one with the robots fighting the monsters? Pacific Rim, the first one. Which one? I was just like, yeah, this one's not trying to break any ground. It's not trying to do or just be this big testament of, art, but it's just incredibly well made for what it's. Yeah, right? It is. The Cassie is incredibly well-crafted squeaks. Crafted squeaks. Meow. Sass. Sass, sass, sass. Sass, sass, sass. And then it's kind of, because this movie, the Nobody movie, that they have, you know, it's funny, it's great because they actually, like, they introduce a lot of cliches and a lot of tropes, but then they either follow them, or a lot of times they just don't. They take you in one direction, and then they're just like, no, we're just going to kind of slightly do something a little bit different. And you're like, I like this. This is great. They have, like, Russian bad guys. But I guess the Russian bad guys but they're all played by actual Russians, and, like, Russian actors and Russian singers and Russian celebrities. The whole thing, the director is a Russian person. Russian guy. So it's like, all right, well, that makes sense. Because I guess it's like the same kind of thing, where it's like you'll get, like, a lot of times, like, quote, the Russian bad guys who are not played, and then, like, people from Russia will watch it and, like, that is not how we sound. It is taking me out of the experience. I guess that Narcos had that problem. Pablo Escobar. And they ended up getting a bunch of, because everything takes place down in Colombia, but they had people, speaking Spanish, but trying with not with, like, a Colombian accent. So, like, oh, this person would have, he'd be having more of a Central American accent, or maybe, like, this other person was like, oh, this person's actually American, but he, like, is from a Spanish-speaking community. So you could hear all these different Spanish-speaking accents. I guess that's what it was, and, like, a lot of people are just like, that is definitely. So imagine if you have, like, a mafia movie. It's like you have, like, a mafia movie, and then, like, oh, there's a, like a Fatty Palzo. Yeah, one of the characters, they have Fatty Palzo, but he's like, my name's Fatty Palzo. I'm gonna make him sleep with the fishes. I'm like, this is taking me out of it. That doesn't sound like a mafia guy. Shucks. I'll make him an offer he can't refuse. It's like, oh no. Who did the casting for this? Is basically what it amounts to. Anyway, enough of that. Thanks for watching this episode of the Walk Around the Compound webcast. Hashtag Dorbus Award in the comment section below. Like and subscribe for all of your big cat goodness. And if you want to learn more about the facility around me, you can always visit the website carerescuetexas.com for more information. You keep them tigers fed. Big shout out to my extra fancy patrons, and we'll see you later. All right. Bye-bye.